How to approach your affiliate marketing to ensure complete success online. Affiliate marketing is a reciprocal method in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each person directed to them by that affiliate. This can be a great way to get new customers and to share them and make a profit. This video can help you understand all of the variances in this popular marketing practice. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. Any affiliate company you choose to work with should offer you a wide range of materials to use. It is in a company's best interest to help its affiliates generate traffic so that everyone can profit. So if a company is not offering resources for you, you should realize that this company is not worth working for. As commented on earlier, affiliate marketing is a great reciprocal way to attract more business and direct business toward those affiliate who direct customers your way. By understanding the affiliate marketing methods and variances, then you can take part in this marketing boon. Adopting the strategies outlined above can greatly increase traffic to your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.